What's the next stop?
Madrid.
So the one time I tried to get ahead a little bit and schedule an Uber, or in this case a Bolt, they did not have a driver available when I had scheduled it for. So here we are once more, walking to a train station. About 28 minutes walk with a backpack each, a suitcase each. I got a little backpack on my front as well. A couple positives though, it's not raining. We're not getting dumped on, and it's really nice outside. So find the positives and it'll be okay. Her favorite activity.
Has this little device in his mouth. It sounds like a really sped up TV show.